Welcome to the Foods. Today we introduce a very interesting product. So this I will show you. You see here, this is the hologram fan. You see this is transparent. This cover is transparent. But inside, this is the hologram fan. We call the 3D hologram fan product. So especially the 3D effect is perfect. You see here the image are floating in the air. So the product inside is 1.8 meter size. So this the dimension is 1.8 meter. So this is very big size. For example, for me I'm 1.7 high, but this product is even higher than me. So this product can be used in the Christmas application. For example, you can use in the like a Christmas tree and put this in the shopping mall, in the public park. This will attract lots of attention, lots of interesting. So I wish you like this product. If you're interested, please contact us.